Hello and welcome to the CAD Institute. If you're a SolidWorks user, designer, engineer, or just a CAD enthusiast, today's video is packed with exciting updates. In this video, we'll walk through everything new in SolidWorks 2025, including design enhancements, UI changes, performance boosts, and powerful new features that can take your workflow to the next level. So, let's dive in. Let's start with what you'll notice right away: the refreshed user interface. SolidWorks 2025 introduces a cleaner and more modern look with subtle updates to the icons and toolbars. It's easier on the eyes and better optimized for high-resolution and 4K monitors, but it's not just about looks. Navigation is smoother. And the context-sensitive command suggestions now make it easier for new users to discover tools as they work. For experienced users, this means fewer clicks and faster access to the features you use most. Next up, sketching. SolidWorks 2025 brings some really cool improvements to the sketching environment. First, the automatic sketch relations have become smarter. Now, the software predicts and suggests constraints more accurately based on your cursor behavior and geometry. Second, there's a new Sketch Mirror Assist tool. When sketching symmetric designs, SolidWorks will now suggest mirrored entities in real time, reducing manual work. Also, the new Sketch Snapping mode gives you finer control over snapping points, making it easier to create precise 2D sketches without constantly zooming in. Let's talk about part modeling, where most of us spend a lot of time. SolidWorks 2025 introduces parametric fillet transitions, allowing smoother blends between surfaces with different radii. There's also an enhanced thread feature that supports more thread standards and custom profiles, which is perfect for those working in international markets. Another great update is the live preview for shell, draft, and fillet tools. Now you can see real-time visual feedback before committing to the feature, reducing trial and error. Assembly performance continues to be a major focus, and 2025 doesn't disappoint. With the new Assembly Load Optimizer, SolidWorks automatically chooses the best mode for loading large assemblies, whether it's lightweight, resolved, or large design review. Plus, the new Quick Mate toolbar appears right next to your selected components, letting you apply mates faster than ever. And for those who work with flexible sub-assemblies, the enhanced Flexible Component Preview lets you test component movement without fully exiting the mate command. For simulation users, SolidWorks 2025 includes updates that make analysis easier and more accurate. One highlight is the adaptive mesh refinement in simulation studies, which automatically adjusts the mesh density based on stress concentration areas. This saves time and improves result accuracy. Also, thermal and fluid flow simulations now support transient conditions directly within the SolidWorks interface, reducing the need to switch between platforms. And finally, the results viewer now supports animated displacement and stress visualization, helping you better communicate design behavior to clients and teammates. Let's move on to 2D drawings, a core part of manufacturing communication. In 2025, you can now use smart annotations, which automatically place dimensions based on model features. It's a huge time saver for detailing standard parts. There's also improved GDT integration, making it easier to apply and manage geometric tolerances. And yes, drawings update faster. SolidWorks claims up to 40% faster drawing views regeneration, especially for large assemblies. For specialized tools like weldments, sheet metal, and surfacing, SolidWorks 2025 has some focused updates. In weldments, you can now create custom structural members with non-standard profiles, and there's an improved corner treatment algorithm for complex frames. Sheet metal tools now allow for partial flange previews and better control over relief cuts. Plus, bend tables have improved export options for CAM systems. For surface modeling, the new autofill surface feature intelligently patches holes using curvature continuity, making reverse engineering work much easier. SolidWorks 2025 continues to push towards better cloud collaboration through 3D Experience integration. You can now access cloud-based design backups, share projects directly through the platform, and even co-design in real time with teammates. There's also a new version control dashboard, which shows a timeline of design changes and lets you revert to previous versions with one click, ideal for managing complex projects with multiple contributors. One of the most exciting areas of SolidWorks 2025 is the use of artificial intelligence and automation. The design assistant is smarter than ever, using machine learning to suggest features, mates, and even design patterns based on your past work. For repetitive tasks, macro recording and scripting are now easier to access and set up, thanks to a simplified UI, and the new feature recognition engine can convert imported dumb solids into fully editable parametric models with surprising accuracy. And that wraps up our deep dive into the new features and updates in SolidWorks 2025. Whether you're a longtime user or just starting out, these enhancements are designed to make your workflow smoother, faster, and more collaborative. Let us know in the comments which feature are you most excited about. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more CAD tips, tutorials, and updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.